I'm going to just show you what what I think college students should wear and to go to college and when they're going out for the evening. Just two quick looks. Hair wise, well, today many girls like their hairs to be straight. So here I have actually layered and just cut her hair very casually. But for college, I would prefer still that college girls tie up their hair, because it's hygiene wise it's much better, because you're with so much of people who may have not very clean hygiene around them. So it's nicer to have just the clean look. Very, very high ponytails. Your face should be really clean. Again, basic skincare. Yeah, for school, for college, I think it's advisable that young girls should tie up their hair to go, but really high, because then that will looks much hip, I think. I don't know the terminology, but it will look pretty casual, fun, and in yeah. You like this, Valencia? What I love most is when teenagers dress like teenagers, behave like teenagers. And the sad thing is that many a times, due to a lot of commercials on TV, we forget that we are still innocent. So I like flawless looks on teenagers. I like completely very virginal looks. That's more my aim on young college students. I mean, the sad thing is that we see a lot of publicity where they show girls who are totally hip, and I'm against that, because we are in college, we are young, life is beautiful. We do not have to be cheap. We do not have to have cheap makeup. We do not have to have loud makeup. It's not done. It's not nice, and it may be in the advertising world, but it's not true. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of a foundation which is on a powder base. Again, your skin care has to be done. I'm very, very insistent on skin care. Many youngsters suffer from acne. Main reason because they have dandruff. Simple remedies of dandruff: take 250 ml of normal shampoo, put in aspirin, 30 tablets of aspirin, shampoo your hair regularly, dandruff goes. So what we're going to do is just take and drink tons of water. That's very, very important. What I'm going to do for Valencia is just a powdered foundation. Products have to be really good, because my products, they breathe. We do not clog pores, so be very careful on your products. Invest in right stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, because whatever it is, college or now, we need a little barrier to protect our skin. Okay? So if I am going to cleanse my skin and then just walk out without using a protector, I'm in big trouble. Okay? So you got to have sunscreen. Please put your sunscreen. Don't get out of the house without sunscreen. So just a little foundation powder. There you go. Takes off the sweaty look. Is that okay? Yeah. And I'm going to highlight Valencia's eyes. Again, just a little bit of highlighting. Valencia's got gorgeous eyes. You can just take a lot of makeup, but we are going to college. little lip gloss. If a college student likes lipsticks, I think they should go in for very nude colors because of the youngness, because they're young, and keep the older shades for people like me after a certain age, but keep it simple, keep it young. So here we have gone and dusted Valencia with a little eyeliner. So I'm not going to repeat why I don't like eyeliners, but the thing is that young college girls should wear eyeliners in different colors. It makes them look happy, it makes them look young. Youngsters, they want to look old, and old people want to look young. I mean, I'm doing it every single day. But the thing is that we forget that we are young. So keep it simple, keep it really clean. But a little bit of a dust on the eye will make it look a little bit exquisite. So just a shadow dust which is going on your eyelash, not that line, So now we're going to go in the evening. This will be for your college. It's clean, it's simple. In the evening, we'll remove this. Okay, so for a party in the night, all the same face, what we could do is just camouflage. Just look up. I'm just going to put a little bit of color, just a blue pen. Thank you. Please see that your pencils and all are always sharpened when you all do your work. When you're doing your makeup, it makes life easier. And just for fun, we're going to go a little bit loud in the night. Open your eyes. The same white highlighter, you can have fun. Go right on the top, highlight. Okay. When it's a dull day, put a lot of color into your eyes. So let's try spring. We put spring colors because it's so dull. So we won't go too much into darker shades. So we're just gonna blend a little bit. Give you some green, lime green over there. That's lovely. Always when you're going out in the evening, use at least minimum 3 shades of color. One color has to blend into the other color. That's the art really of makeup. And it's got to look, that people should not realize you're putting so much makeup on, but it's going to be fun. One shade blending into the other. Yeah. Just we put a little bit of a dark color. These are all spring shades come out. Just look up. Just gonna get it a bit, there. Makeup should be done, your practice should be done way before in the house. So don't go to a show if you have not tried out the colors before. Try the shades before, because if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel that if you're in a hurry and you've made a little bit of a mistake, then your whole evening is ruined. You're going to be, you're going to be dabbing, you're going to want to run to the toilet to just get it correct. So keep your colors, shades all there. Practice when you have the time, and make it fun. I mean, makeup is fun. Just try enjoy yourselves, I'm just trying out all these shades on her. I mean, I'm lucky because my model looks awesome, so I don't really have to camouflage anything, so it's fantastic. But I'm just trying out different things myself, just trying to get it. And that too, you've got youth behind you, so there's nothing you can lose. There's nothing to lose, just keep trying. That looks cool. It's just okay. It's a bit loud. This is to go out to discos, huh? And then we're gonna that's a bit loud for your skin tone, but it's going to be again fun. When we're young, we don't camouflage because there's nothing to camouflage. We're so young, so that's where it's there to have fun, enjoy yourself, have a blast. We're gonna accentuate again those cheekbones, which are awesome. Yep. See, you can go a little bit loud, okay, because she's young. As you see, later on, I will just show you different ages because the college, the working girl lady. So here is college. Here again, I don't know. I prefer people enjoy themselves using excess makeup when they're younger. Yeah, it's not that I'm not for makeup for college. Please don't get me wrong. College is keep it simple, clean your skin, have have clean, gorgeous skin. But in the night, there, just highlight this. So there, when you're out of college, you got to respect the place you are at, So in college, you got to be neat but fun, but neat. I mean, you tie up your hair, make it look young. Ponytail, don't let your hair fly about in college, please. There are ticks everywhere, and not ticks, what they call them, boochie things. I mean, sometimes people do behave like animals in college, so I think ticks would be allowed, but but I meant boochies. You know, see this. Just keep brushing your hair. When you're going out in the night, do it, do it, do it, do it. I'm sorry, child. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now throw your hair back. Throw it back. Okay, there we go. That's your night look. There. Now you can go to the disc, the club.